Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new around here, and today we are going to be doing a clean with me. So I'm cleaning my bedroom today. I recently did a tour of my bedroom, so if you want to know a little bit more about that, I'll link that one down below. But today I'm just going to clean my bedroom and also organise under my bed because we have an ottoman bed and there is so much stuff in there, it's so crazy. So I need to tidy that up and also make my bed as well. I've got some gorgeous new bedding which I absolutely adore, so I can't wait to show you that. But first of all, let me show you underneath the ottoman, which looks a little bit like this. I did organise this not too long ago, but I just keep putting more and more stuff in there, so I need to sort out everything inside it, and that is what we're going to do today. So let's get started. First I'm going to empty the ottoman.
Standing underneath the lights,
Today's video is actually sponsored by Vac Pack Go from JML, and I'm going to be showing you how I use it today. Vac Pack Go is portable, it's easy to use, and it's super small and lightweight, so it makes it perfect for traveling as well. So if you're going away, you can use this to vac pack all of your clothes and make a lot more space in your suitcase. Today I'm going to use it with a few of the items that I found underneath my bed that I don't really need right now. So there's things like Christmas bedding, stuff like that, some blankets, cushion covers, all of these items that I don't really need to hand right now. The backpack storage bags are waterproof and airtight, and they also protect contents from damp and dust, so that's really good to know. So you can put things in your loft if you wanted to as well, and basically this just sucks all of the air out of it and makes it as compact as possible, and it actually reduces the volume by up to 75%, which is crazy. I've also got a promo code for you guys so you can get free delivery. They've got two amazing offers on at the moment. Offer number one provides the Vac Pack Go vacuum, which already comes with 2 small and 2 medium bags, plus a variety pack with an extra 2 small and 2 medium bags, as well as 2 large bags and 2 jumbo bags for just $29.99. And then offer number two provides Vac Pack Go vacuum with 2 small and 2 medium bags, as it usually comes, plus an additional variety pack with 2 large and 2 jumbo bags, again for $29.99.
tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. I say, close your eyes and let us fade away.
So under our bed we mainly keep things like blankets, spare bedding, also we've got our files there, so it's got some paperwork in there as well. We also have some towels, and I also put some of my shoes in here as well because I have a few too many shoes maybe, so they go in the bed as well. Let me know what you put in your bed or underneath your bed if you've got ottoman storage, so I would love to know that. But yeah, we're almost there with the underbed storage. It looks so much neater now and I'm really happy with it. So this is how it looks now, so much neater, and I can actually close the bed without having to sit on it to smush everything down that's inside. Do you guys do that? I have to do that quite a lot, but now I don't need to, now that everything's vac packed and flattened, so it looks so much more organised. Now let's move on to the bed. I'm going to give the bed a little wipe down. I don't do this too often, I should do it more, but actually I was quite pleasantly surprised with how little dust was on the bed. I do sometimes vacuum the top of the bed to get rid of dust, but today I thought I would just clean it down with a damp cloth. This is just a white microfiber cloth, and I've just damped it down with some water, and that is it, and it's just really given it a real nice clean and spruced it up a little.
Hold my hand and hear the words I say.
As you can see, we collected a little bit of dust there, so now I'm going to make the bed as well. So I'm using the Lenore crease releaser. So this is for clothing items, but I actually use it on my bed linens as well, and this just gets rid of any creases and makes your bed smell absolutely amazing. Just let your bed dry a little before you kind of make it, but I don't kind of like saturate it, if you know what I mean. I literally spritz it a little bit just to freshen the bed up, and I also use it on my duvet and also the cushions as well. So if you're a little bit lazy at ironing all of the bed sheets and bed linen like me, then this is a great little hack. I use this on the boys' beds as well, and it makes it look so nice, neat and tidy. But then I've got another hack later to make your bed look amazing as well, which I'll show you in a sec.
Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
My next hack for making your bed look amazing is to get a bedspread. This, guys, is a lifesaver. If you cannot be bothered to do your bed in the morning, just throw this on top of your duvet and it will make everything look perfect. It honestly makes my life so much easier. This bedspread here is from Dunelm. I'm really loving it. This is quite a new purchase and I'm super happy with it.
Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk.
So now the bed is made, I'm just working on the bedside table, so I'm just giving them a quick wipe down. I've just got some Zaflora diluted in a bottle, so I've spritzed that on there using a clean microfiber cloth, and I'm just dusting everything down basically. These areas, although they don't look that dusty because it's kind of a wood surface, which is great, it does collect a lot of dust, so I do need to do this regularly.
It's like a made up place that only we can see.
I'm also just going over my side of the bedside table, so I'm just emptying the drawers there. I don't really have any specific items in here, I just kind of put random things in here. What do you put in your bedside table? Moving on to my vanity area, I'm just tidying up because this morning this is how I left it. It doesn't get too messy, although the makeup is another area that I do need to organise very soon because it is getting a little bit cluttered and messy again. But I'm just putting away everything that's on the surface that I don't need, and then I'm going to give that a wipe down as well, and also clean my Ricky mirror with my glass cloth and some Zaflora.
Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
I'm also not forgetting this little area here, so this is where my little stool goes, but it can get dusty as well down here, so I'm giving that a little clean as well. And then once that's done, I'm literally just going to go over any smears that I see on the mirror. The mirrors don't really need a good clean right now, there's just a few little smears that I'm going to use my glass cloth with, and that will literally spruce it up. And then I'm going to give the shutters a little wipe down as well because they were looking super dusty, so I needed to go over those. We've had the windows open a lot as well in this room, so it collects a lot of dust.
Look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me.
So the last little job, I'm just vacuuming the room. This is the last job that I do in here, and then that is all done, guys. The room now looks presentable and pretty again. I absolutely love our bedroom. It's such a beautiful airy space, although it's quite a small room. I just love dressing this room. It's so pretty. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Don't forget to click the link down below for the Vac Pack Go from JML. There's also that free delivery code that you can use as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now